You start yourself with a reference line, preferably the center or the side.
Okay.
Slats are going to be glued and nailed.
Okay.
To make sure that the right spacing, we're going to use spacers that you build before you start.
Okay.
Spacers, the more the better, that you're going to lean along your first reference line. Once they're in place, put your second slat in with the glue already ready. Clamp it, both ends. You need good clamps because you need to bend the board or the slat back into place sometime. And then once they're all solidly in place, and if you need to, someone is going to hold it, and then start nailing all the way along.
So you clamp both tips because you want to push the plank in place, right?
You push it in place or you're going to bend it in place. So your clamps are going to help doing that. And you're going to bend it on to lean on your space.
So any words of wisdom for that project, Papa?
Don't let the slats drive you. Drive the slats where you want them to go. That way your ceilings is going to be great looking.